When to use skincare products. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about when to use skincare products. It's important to understand the best time of day to apply skincare products so that you can achieve the best results. Firstly, cleansing is the most important step in your skincare routine. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin, which can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. So, it's important to cleanse your face at least twice a day, in the morning and at night. Toners are also essential, as they can help to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps in your skincare routine. They can also help to minimize the appearance of pores and improve the texture of your skin. Serums are lightweight formulas that can help to address specific skin concerns, such as fine lines, wrinkles, or dark spots. They are perfect for applying immediately after cleansing or before applying your moisturizer. Moisturizers are the final step in your skincare routine, as they help to hydrate your skin and lock in moisture. They should be applied every day, regardless of your skin type or concerns. Lastly, sunscreen is a must-have product for every skincare routine. It helps to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging and skin cancer. Sunscreen should be applied every day, even on cloudy days, and SPF 30 should be used daily. In summary, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing should be done every day, while serums and sunscreen should be used as needed. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.